bought both of these multi-tools, the Leatherman, like 12 years ago, and Victorinox like 10 years ago. From the state of the cases, you could see which one is used much more. You'll understand which way I prefer. I bought this Leatherman probably 12 years ago. It has leather shield with nylon inserts. It has pocket for tools, but I don't have any tools. I don't like to use additional tools with my multi-tools. So it's just Leatherman Super Tool 300. I like this tool for its ruggedness, for the lowest price at the point. I bought this 12 years ago for something around $50. It was a long time ago. Now the prices is much different. So we had Leatherman waves and charges at the time, but they didn't have these pliers. This was biggest pliers that the Leatherman had, with these carbide inserts, I guess. It was biggest, heaviest multi-tool money could buy. Before that I had similar Leatherman, but it was smaller one, and it was maybe 16 years ago, I guess, and someone stole it from me. I was mad. So anyway, let's discuss the issue with this multi-tool. The issue with this multi-tool it's a rattle, and the rattle is constructive because it has springs, it has these bolts, and when you open it you'll always use these bolts, and you need to tighten them, screw them to more easily allow tools to move. Because if you over tighten them, you won't be able to open your tools, and it's a big problem, because either they rattle or you won't be able to open it. I love this multi-tool for a bunch of reasons. It has a couple of blades. It's still pretty sharp. I never sharpen it, but I don't use it much. I use more of this blade to cut some rope and different stuff. This multi-tool is mostly in my car because I bought different. Because of this rattle, I was dealing this multi-tool until I had enough. So at that time I needed a couple of more additions, and I was looking for a cheaper alternative to new charges that at the time cost like $150, and I needed scissors, and I wanted external opening of the tools, because for any tool you need to open it. I still love it. I have it in my car and I use it every time when I need something heavy because of these heavy duty pliers. But what I'm really dealing right now is this Victorinox SwissTool X, made in USA. It has this nylon sheet and it looks like that. It has all the features that I wanted. It doesn't rattle at all. It has scissors, which is pretty obvious for a man that you could cut your nails with it as a common task. And it also has different style bottle opener that you actually go to different side. As you can see, Leatherman has classic bottle opener and Victorinox have different one. And when you open, you go to opposite sides, which is interesting. And I guess this requires less force. But one thing that is missing in this Super Tool is glass bottle opener. Maybe I'm missing it, but it is not here. And oftenly I need to open glass bottles, and for that I use this one. And all of this can't provide it. So these two tools, scissors and a glass bottle opener, could change your world with a multi-tool, and also its external opener. And I found this multi-tool on Amazon on sale for $70. Now it costs 200, which is crazy. I love this tool, use it every day with me, but it has one issue, which every Victorinox have. It's a blade. It's not very big. Just if you compare with my daily knife, you could see the difference. And when you cut some meat or some other food, this knife is useful, but it's not too big. And I will also like this. It doesn't look that scary, so you could use this knife everywhere, and no one is scared because this blade is not sharp. So when you go to the post and you open the box, I always use this knife instead of that one, because if I open that one, everyone is scared, thinking I'm a terrorist or something. And with that one, no one just cares. So that's why I daily this knife with me. I love it, and you could use it with one hand, while with that you can't. I think these two multi-tools cover my request fully. I was looking at the multi-tools some time ago to buy maybe a new one, something from Leatherman, from P-Line, but it has horrible scissors and it's pricey as hell. So for $180 that they sell it here in Ukraine, I can't make myself buy one while I have this beautiful Victorinox. Leave your comments below and tell me your favorite multi-tool, which would be anything. Could be Gerber's, SOG, or Victorinox, Leatherman, I know some in-house brand, and let's discuss it. See you until the next one.